welcome to day 7 of our Burt Munro trip. On this episode, we go beach racing.
Beach race for the 19th anniversary of the Burt Munro killing. Nice eyebrows.
We meet one of the boys that's been following our journey.
A couple of people.
Full video of us ripping our Harleys through the Crown Range. And we end our day at this beautiful house in Wanaka. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. After rolling out for day 7, we made our way through Invercargill and into town to fuel ourselves up before the next mission. First stop was breakfast at the Kickstart Cafe. A quick feed and a chance to wake up properly before the day got underway. With that sorted, it was helmets on, bikes fired up, and time ahead for the beach drags. One of those events we've been looking forward to the whole trip. So with stomachs full and plenty of anticipation, we pointed the Harleys towards the coast to see what all the hype was about. Finally made it to the beach, and straight away you could tell the place was alive. Motorcycles everywhere, with that proper old school motorsport atmosphere. That wasn't meant to rhyme. Naturally, we couldn't just roll in quietly, so before checking anything else out, we headed straight onto the sand to have a bit of fun ourselves. After a bit of fun on the sand, we cruised back and joined everyone else lining up the bikes. As I put my side stand down, I noticed the sand doesn't feel firm enough, and as I look down at my side stand, the sand gives way. I had this brilliant idea in my head that if I gave the back wheel a little spin, it'll dig in and settle the bike into the sand, a bit like the motocross guys do. Unfortunately, the second I cracked the throttle, it turned into a fucking sandstorm. Roosted a heap of sand straight up and completely covered my mate chasing it. Safe to say that that clever idea didn't quite go to plan. I decided it was time to get out of the soft stuff and move the bike somewhere more solid. I gave it a bit of throttle, trying to ease it forward and climb out of the hole I just dug. What I didn't realise was Chase had rolled in right behind me. So when the rear wheel spun up again and flung sand straight backwards, he was the one wearing it. With Chase understandably pissed off, he goes for a ride to cool down. I look back at the hole that I dug and I contemplate jumping in it to disappear. I also decide that it's probably best that I just put my bike back into that hole, get my side stand out, leave it and get off the bike so I don't fuck anything else up. So we just got down to the beach races. We're here to check out tickets. I don't have the thing on me, but I've got this. So like the order.
Oh yeah.
That's all good, eh?
Wait.
Thanks, just really fast.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thanks very much. Yep. Thank you.
To have the features inside the engines, even of the more modern bikes, to try and make them perform. So
beach drags for the 19th anniversary of the Burt Munro Motorcycle Rally.
As well, so cool to see.
Our last day in Invercargill before we
for all of the
shoot to
extended
get.
club, we'll be enjoying the opportunity to be in number one, and hopefully put that number one shot on the fix the keeper as great protection overall here at the
Yeah, it needs a water blast though. Nice eyebrows.
Pick up another left, 6 minutes right here.
so we've had a look at the beach racing. Pretty hardcore, pretty sure it's a mile that they race. We're going to go give our bikes a water blast, just get all the sand and salt off them.
Where about you fellas from, Kizzy?
Auckland, G.
Oh, here you're rolling Street, eh?
Oh yeah, this is Cyrus.
Belly, Chase. I'm from Wanaka. Chase as well, brother.
Yeah, mean bro.
Chase. Yeah, he'll be chasing.
Chase and Chase. This is Cyrus rolling straight.
Belly, Mahama. Yeah, because I've got a couple of B-rods.
Oh, yeah,
rods, yeah. I sent you guys a story this morning. Yeah. Head back up that way tomorrow. Yeah. Probably catch me the rain.
Yeah, me. Where are you from?
Maricas.
Oh, yeah.
But the two riders I came with, they from Qatar.
Oh, yeah. My friends are big boys.
Love it.
How long are you here for? Just another night?
Yeah, we've been on the road since Tuesday. Plus, we're just coming out quite slowly. Stayed in Taupo, then we went over to Kissy, then come down, got our ferry, stayed in Tuk for 2 days. Went up Nusa for a quick ride and come back.
Good roads, eh? The South Island road.
You see where all our tax money's going. Acres. Potholes there up north, they just fuck. My first time. I've driven down this way, but I've never ridden. So,
do a Cape Run, eh? Soon, I reckon. Cape Run soon.
Are you guys all on one? Yeah, we're all on roads. Muscle.
How much gas do you guys go through?
Bro, every stop we see we
Right out yet?
Nah, once it hits the red line, we just fucking look for the nearest one, boom, fill them up.
Go give these bikes a wash, get all the sand and salt off them. Mean day. With the beach racing complete, our bikes all washed up nice and clean, and a couple of photos next to the Burt Munro statue, I decided to call it the end of the trip for the Insta360. And here we have it, Crown Range Road. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. carving our way through the Crown Range, we rolled into Cardrona, feeling pretty happy with ourselves. The road had delivered everything we'd hoped for. Great corners, incredible views, and the kind of riding that makes you forget about everything else for a while. So we pulled up to the Cardrona Hotel for a bite to eat, a cold drink, and a chance to debrief on the ride. From Cardrona, it was only a short ride over to Wanaka. After a big day of beach racing, mountain roads, and plenty of laughs along the way, we were definitely looking forward to putting our kickstands down for the night. As the sun disappeared behind the mountains and the darkness rolled in, we gave the bikes another well-deserved clean after a big day on the road. With that done, it was time to switch off for the night. We ordered some pizzas, threw on a movie, and settled in for some much-needed rest. Day 7 had delivered a bit of everything: beach racing, incredible roads, and some truly unforgettable scenery. Thanks for joining us on another day of the journey. Tomorrow we'll be waking up in Wanaka and pointing the bikes north, with Hokitika next on the list. We'll see you on day 8.